Gareth, well, far fewer fans here today than on the first day of Oscar Pistorius' trial. We have found a lady who seems an ardent supporter. In fact, she's managed to survive the scrum that we had earlier. Let's ask her what she's here for.
I feel very, very sorry for her family as well. But in all honesty, if I must choose between giving my son or my daughter off to death or to see them in a prison, I'd much rather mourn by a grave than to know that one of my children are in prison. So yes, I do feel sorry for them. But
Ma'am, Annika Larson here from eNCA. Tell me your name and, apart from being an Oscar fan, where you're from and why you've come here today.
my name is Ria du Plessis. I'm from Sunwood Park, Boksburg. And I was just very interested in what's going to happen and how Oscar will be treated, how his poor parents feel. And I just came every day, or most of the times.
And how are you feeling today? Do you think that, do you have an outcome in your mind?
No, I don't know anything about law. So I honestly don't know what will happen to him. All I know is that I feel very sorry for him and I hope that the judge will be soft on him.
How do you feel when you think about Riva's parents?
I feel very sorry for them. I can imagine how they must feel. Losing a child is the most terrible thing in life. But if I must choose between losing a child to death or to prison, I'd much rather lose my child to death. Then I have a grave where I can mourn, which is terrible. But to lose a child knowing that he's in prison, oh, I think that must be terrible.
Thank you very much. And there we have an Oscar supporter for you. The only one I've seen today, which is unusual. Usually we have school kids here, we have athletes, we have disabled athletes who've all come here to support Oscar Pistorius. But as you saw that lady from Boksburg, she's here and she's here to stay the entire day. Back to you, Gareth.